Atma Namaste, everyone. Good evening. Let's start with an opening invocation. To the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, my beloved Guru, Grand Master Chakoksui, Lord Maha Guruji Mailing, all the great ones, holy gurus, holy masters, saints, archangels, holy angels, and all the spiritual helpers, and to my higher soul. To each and every one of you joining this session, to Rhonda Byrne, and to each and every person connected to this book. Thank you, and thank you. So today's session is just 1.5 pages. It's called The Magical People, Day 12, Magical People Who Made a Difference. Tomorrow's session is Make All Your Dreams Come True. It's really one of my favorite chapters from this book. So I would recommend that most of us should join an alliance for this particular chapter. So magical people who made difference. So I hope today you all practice the magical morning activities that we had to do today in the morning. So we, as soon as you get up in the morning, you kind of say thank you, and then everything that you touch, you use to start your day. You express gratitude towards. You express gratitude towards that thing, activity, or that experience. Basically, you identify your day with abundance, and I did it today. It was really nice for me. Somehow I would really want all of us to share the comments also on the YouTube video links, wherein you can share what happened, how it happened, and did you experience something, or did you feel that something is changing in your life. So magical people who made a difference. At times, our own light goes out and is rekindled by spark from another person. Each one of us has cause to think with deep gratitude. At times, our light goes out and is rekindled by spark from another person. Each one of us has cause to think with deep gratitude of those who have lighted the flame within us. Albert Schweitzer, Nobel Peace Prize winning medical missionary and philosopher. Every one of us has received help, support, or guidance from other people at particular times in our life when we needed it the most. Sometimes another person alters the course of our life through their encouragement. Sometimes another person alters the course of our life through their encouragement, guidance, or just being there for us at the right time. And then life goes on, and we tend to forget those times when one person touched us or changed our life. Sometimes you don't even realize the impact a person had until well into the future. When you look back on your life and realize that a particular person was pivotal in magically changing the direction of your life for the better. The person may have been a teacher or a coach, uncle, aunt, sibling, grandparent, or any family member or friend, or any acquaintance. They may be a doctor, nurse, or best friend. They may be a person who introduced you to your current partner or a particular interest that became one of the greatest passions. Maybe they were someone you didn't even know and they appeared in your life very briefly, performing a random act of kindness that touched you to the core. My grandmother gave me the love for books, cooking, and the countryside. By sharing her love of those things with me, all of them affected and changed the course of my life. Cooking became the passion of mine forever, 20 years. My love for books eventually led me to become a writer. And my love of a countryside has influenced where I lived throughout my life. Rhonda is sharing her experience. My grandmother also disciplined me with a steel hand to say thank you. At the time, I thought she was just teaching me to be polite. It was only later in my life I realized that teaching me to say the magic word was the greatest gift that my grandmother ever gave to me. She is not alive anymore, but I continue to be grateful to her for the huge influence she had on the course of my life. Thank you, Grandma. Today, you're going to think about the magical people who have impacted your life. Find a quiet place alone sometime during the day today. Sit down and think of three extraordinary people who have made a difference in your life. Once you have your three people, work with one person at one time and talk out loud to each person as though they were present. So, what you need to do is that you need to imagine this person in front of you and talk out loud to this person as though you're speaking to them in real, as though they're sitting next to you and you're speaking to them right now in real, telling him or her the reasons why you are grateful to them and how they have affected the course of your life. Make sure you do this magical practice with all three people in one session. You mean at once. You need to do it at once. It will take your feeling of gratitude to a far deeper level. If you split up this magical practice throughout the day, you will not feel the same depth of gratitude, nor receive the magical results. Here is an example of what you might say. This is an example that Rhonda has given. Sarah, I want to thank you for the time that you encouraged me to follow my heart. I was lost and confused that day, and your words touched me and lifted me out of despair because of what you said. I found the courage to follow my dream, and I moved to France to work as an apprentice chef. I'm living my dream, and I couldn't be happier, all because of what you said to me that day. Thank you, Sarah. It's very important that you say the reasons why you're grateful, and you can't say too much. Instead, the more you say, the more you feel, the more amazing the results. You will see the magic explode into your life from doing this practice. If you're not in a position to talk out loud, then you can write down the words to each person and address them as though you're writing a letter. When you have completed this practice, you will feel a huge difference in the way you feel. The evidence of gratitude's power working is always the first and foremost. It makes you happy. The secondary evidence of gratitude's, so you understand what a line means. How do you know that you're feeling gratitude? Is the first thing that you will feel is you will feel very lighthearted, very happy. You will feel like you're flying. The secondary evidence of gratitude power is that you attract wonderful things in your life. And as if all of that wasn't enough, the happiness you feel after practicing gratitude also attracts more wonderful things. That's the magic of life. And that's the magical power of gratitude. That's the end of today's session. And so, we have to count our blessings, be grateful for your body, magical morning, magic rock, money, abundance. We know how to do the negative things. We have to dismiss the negative things. Tomorrow in the morning, as soon as we get up and we have to kind of, um, identify three people, or why don't you do it tonight before sleeping? Identify three people and speak to them in an energetic word of why you're grateful and how you're grateful for their presence in your life. Whatever little, large are, I always say, little and large are traits of your personality, traits of your ego. It's not a quantitative figure of the universe. So start with that maybe tonight, tomorrow morning, and please share the video. And thank you for sharing the videos already. And maybe you can comment on the video if you've done these activities every day. It's really, really nice to encourage people to do that. And I'm only telling you, once you start encouraging people to tap into gratification, gratefulness, something will very rapidly change in your life. Very, very rapidly. I can guarantee you on that. So you must encourage other people to do these activities, with you. and magic will happen. I'm telling you. So you have to do it. Just do it. Bring in more people to do it in your homes, your friend circles, and everything, and then only you will realize it's like service. So once you, it's like if you don't do it, you don't know how it works. Once you do it, you will know how it works. So that's it. Thank you all for joining. Very, very short session. I think it's just 15 minutes. I'm so happy that it has small sessions. Tomorrow is make your all your dreams come true. Encourage your family members to watch, to whatever, share, whatever you want to do with it. So let's close the session to the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, my beloved Guru, Grand Master Chakoksui, Lord Mahaguru Ji Mailing, all the great, great ones, holy gurus, holy masters, saints, archangels, holy angels, and all the spiritual helpers. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Rhonda. Thank you, the magic. Thank you, all of you. Thank you, thank you.